Some students struggle with these terms as regards fractions. We have proper fraction, we have improper fraction, and mixed fraction. So what's a proper fraction? Let's say we have 1 over 3, that's a proper fraction. We have 2 over 3, we have 4 over 5. These are all proper fractions. Proper fractions are fractions where the lower number, which is the denominator, is greater or bigger than the number it carries. That the 3 is bigger than the 1, the 3 here is bigger than the 2, and the 5 here is bigger than the 4. These are all proper fractions. It's like saying a mother carrying her baby. So for improper fractions or improper fraction, this is an example of an improper fraction. We have 3 over 2, we have 5 over 4, we have 17 over 9. These are examples of improper fractions where the number above, that's the numerator, is bigger than the number below. It's like saying a baby should carry the mother. That's improper. These are examples of improper fractions where you have 17 over 9. The number above is bigger than the number below. So this 9 can't carry this 17. And these kind of fractions lead to what they call mixed fractions. This is an example of a mixed fraction. We have two whole number 1 over 2. That's, we have a whole number and a fraction behind it. This is a mixed fraction. And they are formed from improper fractions. So let's say, for example, the mixed fraction for this 3 over 2 is we divide 3 by the 2. The result is 1. 2 can only go in 3 ones. So we have our result as the whole number, 1. Then the remainder is 1 over the 2 you use in dividing is always here, so you have it here. So our answer is the result of dividing it, the remainder on top, and the denominator is always there. Now I've converted this from an improper fraction to a mixed fraction where the 2 is no longer carrying the 3 but is now carrying a 1. To get back this improper fraction from this mixed fraction, we will say 2 times 1, 2, plus 1, 3. So you multiply the denominator by the whole number, then add the result to the numerator. That's the number on top. So you have 2 times 1, 2, plus 1, 3. So we have 3 over 2. Now we've gotten this back from this. Let's go for this one. That's 9 over 17. 9 can go in 17 only once because 9 times 1 is 9 and 9 times 2 is 18. That's 9 times 1 is 9, 9 times 2 is 18. And 18 is bigger than 17, so 9 can only go in 17 once. So let's convert 17 over 9 from an improper fraction to a mixed fraction. So since 9 can go once, so write one whole number. That's the result of dividing 9 by 17 is 1. Then the remainder, that's, when it goes once, you'll be left with 17 minus 9. 17 minus 9 is 8. So our remainder from dividing 17 by 9 is 8. So we write it here. It now occupies the space or the place of the numerator. That's the number on top. Then our denominator still remains the 9, which is the number we used in dividing the 17. We've now converted this from an improper fraction to a mixed fraction, and we can convert it back to an improper fraction from a mixed fraction by just multiplying this 9 times 1, that's the denominator, by the whole number, then you add the result to the numerator. So we have 9 times 1, 9, then the result, which is 9, plus 8. So we have 9 times 1, 9, plus the number on top, that's the numerator, which is 8, plus 8 will give you 17. So we therefore have this as 17 over 9.